projects isn't actually a strategy problem, it's a certainty problem. Starting is easy, finishing is actually leadership. I keep starting new projects and abandoning them when they don't work. How do I create a simple system and actually follow through? Great question. Let's talk about it. Here's the thing about starting new projects, trying them out for a little while, chopping and changing, and then potentially starting something new again. So many coaches out there are confusing momentum and novelty. We get this amazing dopamine hit every single time that we start something new, a fresh idea, and it feels like, oh my gosh, this thing is going to be the solution. Every new idea feels like the answer until it requires your consistency. And so if we're addicted to dopamine and we're addicted to novelty, what ends up happening is we continue to blow up areas of our business that don't actually need chopping and changing. There are particular areas of your business that require you to stay consistent. If you want to build, past those 20K months, then absolutely you need consistency. You need to stick to something. In the beginning of our business, as you're building from around that, 0 to 20, 30K months, it's a lot of, test, measure, adapt. It is figuring things out on the fly as you go. But once you're actually solid, contained within your business, you need to change that dynamic, that way of being and thinking. Otherwise, you will continue to sabotage your business in so many ways. So high performers generally stick to something that we call the 5-1. One target market with one problem. Therefore, you have one solution on one platform for 1 year. These are the 5-1s. And this is what's actually going to equal $1 million. One target market with one problem, one solution that you therefore run that out like hardcore on one platform that you master and refine. One way of doing things for 1 year is going to equal your first $1 million. The sooner that you implement that and stick to it, the better, the quicker you are going to scale and grow. Because let me tell you, the challenges and problems that we have at about 0 to 300K per year are completely different to the challenges and problems that we're having from 300K to $1 million. But that doesn't mean that we can't implement some of those strategies sooner to help you solidify your business now and be able to step you forward faster to be able to scale and grow. So if the question is, that you keep starting new projects and then you abandon them, I guess the answer then becomes don't. Pick something. Follow your greatest excitement, whatever avenue that may be. Pick one strategy on one platform, get it out there again and again, master and refine it, commit to playing the long game in business. And I promise you, your business will be there for you year after year after year.